Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome again. We're going to take a look at another offering from Star RC. This is one of their rugged cases. Now this one is a waterproof case. It does have locking holes on it as well. So if you're traveling on an airplane or a boat or something like that and you need to be able to secure your case, you do have those holes for the locks on both sides here. It also comes with these nice little latches, as you guys can see. And there's foam inside of it, as you guys can probably also tell here. And they even give you this little card that comes with it. It just kind of gives you an idea of how they anticipate people will utilize this. Now, I have a bunch of different accessories that I use for my action cameras, so this is pretty much spot on. All right, so first things first, you have this upper section right here. As you guys can see, now this has different size spacings for different things that you'd want to place in here, like your TF cards, your batteries, or whatever case it is. You also have these little cutouts that you can pull out, and that is if your camera has a case, say for instance this GoPro, you can kind of wedge that in there, or one of the other action cameras that I have, you could wedge those in there as well. So you have a lot of flexibility when it comes to this upper section that you guys see. All right, so then underneath, you'll also find your shoulder strap. This is a nice one. It has a nice little pad on it as well. All right, guys, you can see how this is made. It's got the nice little shoulder pad. It's nothing, special, but it will get the job done. That's really nice that it comes with that. Then inside here is the bottom compartment. You do have some pullouts, and you'll be able to put things inside of that. Like if I disassemble this right here, I could take all the different pieces apart, and then I could place them in different little compartments throughout this case, which comes in really handy. And let me tell you guys, I have a lot of accessories that I take with me when I go out on location jobs and things like that. So this really will come in handy, even with, action cameras and things that I use, being able to completely disassemble these for the most part, take off all of the different accessories, have a place for your thumb screws, your magnetic mounts. Even if you're taking off the basic little attachments here, you have a place for those as well. So this really opens up a lot of creativity for different places that you can place things depending on what it is. So you'll find areas that will work, ideally for your situation. But what I like about this case the most is that it is waterproof. There's a washer that goes all the way around the case itself. So when this is closed, you have a valve right here on the front, if you guys can see that, and that's going to be for pressure. That's your little pressure valve. You can turn that, to relieve pressure on the case itself. That's really nice. The overall construction of it, I would say this reminds me of quite a few cases I've used, even like my Pelican cases. It's about the same type of design. So if you're looking for a high quality case with a nice handle, and you have a lot of accessories like I do here, this will be an ideal case for you guys to take a look at. And you, like I said, you'll just start to assemble and figure out exactly where you want to put all of your different accessories. But there will be some way to configure a case like this. And the fact that you have the 2 layers with it really makes this stand out, at least in my book. So if you guys are looking for a practical case that you can take with you on location, you can have multiple items ready to go anytime you need them, whether they're your mounts, your cages, your different cameras. Maybe you have multiple action cameras that you take out with you, these little backup lights and things like that. So all of these things, guys, really come in handy when you need them. But the most important thing is that you have a safe way to carry all of these different things with you. And that's what I look for in one of these type of cases, is that it's going to accommodate all the different accessories that I use on a regular basis. And I think, this case will definitely get the job done. So hopefully this video has been helpful, if nothing else, informative. And I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.